Hey friends, welcome to Mimi's Mixed Bag. Tonight's a special night at my house that I wanted to share with you. It is my June bunko night, and it just so happened that I've got a girls trip planned in October to Gulf Shores, and we thought we would invite the 2 or 3 girls that are going to go along with us. So more the merrier. I've got my sun porch and the backyard set up for the luau, and I just thought I would share with you some of the things I bought, some of the things I made, and give you some snippets through the night. We're stepping out of my back kitchen door. A lot of the stuff I bought at Dollar Tree. You just can't go wrong when Dollar Tree has things for $1 versus the party store that's 2 or 3 prices. But just some cute luau type stuff. This plastic backdrop here was actually a Dollar Tree backdrop that I stapled to my fence. I took 2 pieces of long cardboard that my daughter had and painted some totem poles. I think these turned out really cute to add to the photo backdrop. I took some big sheets of tissue paper. I used a tutorial on YouTube how to make some big hibiscus flowers, and all the leaves are cut out of construction paper. I mean, this seriously cost me a few dollars. So all total, I may have $5 tied up in this. I'm gonna pan around here. I've got some tiki lights I'm going to light once the sun goes down. This is my flower bed. It's coming along. And over here, just propped up on the column here, is a little photo frame that I made just out of a Dollar Tree foam board. Painted it brown, wrapped some rope around it, and did some more of those tissue flowers. That'll be really cute just for people to hold up and take their picture. I'm panning around over here. I just stuck this little hanging bird thing in my flower pot to hold all the little leis that I made. I just strung some tissue paper and some flowers I had in my stash. So I have lots of tissue. This really cost me nothing to make 10 of these flower leis. And I've made several different colors, and those will be fun to wear. Alright, we're walking into my sunroom here. I put 2 big tables together. The little flower runner come from Spring Hobby Lobby. The rattan placemats were thrifted for like 50 cents each. These are just flowers and things that I had in my stash that cost me $0 out of pocket for this get together. This is a lantern I thrifted a few months ago and thought that was really pretty, and just laid some flowers over that. Got hanging a Dollar Tree banner up there on the window. Pan around kind of slow and show you this banner. When I bought this at the Dollar Tree, it was actually put together backwards. I'll insert a picture here. That's what you get when you buy Dollar Tree stuff sometimes. So I took it all apart, added some bigger little wood cardboard and made it look like wood, and just cut the letters out and glued them on, and it looks so much better. I got my little coffee table over here just set up. I've got a cake stand under there, plastic tablecloth, some of the Dollar Tree fishnet, and this is a really neat little plate and utensil holder that my mother-in-law gave me this past Christmas. That's just wonderful for get-togethers, for your plates and napkins and silverware. We got lots of food coming. These are some lanterns I've had for several years from Pier 1. I'm going to light those and hang them. This over here is just kind of our dessert table. We're all about desserts here. We got cupcakes and several things coming. Over here is just a little table I had. I've got some, it's called Dirty Ocean Water. And over here I'm just going to have some soft drinks. So I'll put the recipe below for the Dirty Ocean Water, or you could call it mermaid punch, or whatever you want to call it. So everyone should be here in the next 30 minutes or so, and I will share with you us having a good time.